Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Fit car battery. Before starting, prioritize safety. Gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a terminal brush. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your Honda Fit is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. Safety first ensures a smooth process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial to prevent any short circuits. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Once both cables are free, carefully unfasten and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. The old battery is almost ready to be lifted out. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully lift the new battery and place it securely into the battery tray. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring both connections are snug and secure. This order is important. You're almost done. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, making sure the new battery is firmly secured and won't shift while driving. For added protection and longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old car battery. Many auto parts stores offer recycling services, ensuring it's handled responsibly. Your Honda Fit is now ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.